Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my new video. Today I will be creating 2 round cards, and this is my inspiration for Little Birdie crafts, and I will be using mainly their products. So we need to start with a folded card and a die, which is a circle, or instead of the die you can use a round object and draw around it. The important thing here is to place your die above the scoring line and then run through your die cutting machine. I do it few times forward and back to be sure that it will cut nicely, but it doesn't always do that, so you may need a little bit of help of your scissors. And this is what I'm going to do here. And I'm going to round cut where the edge of the die was, and I will have 2 lovely card bases. For both cards I'm going to use Shabby Chic Bouquet collection from Little Birdie Crafts. This is really pretty paper collection with lots of elements for fussy cutting, and also with gorgeous doilies which are pre-cut for you. And I will embellish my cards with those elements which you can cut out of the papers. I wasn't sure which one I'm going to use, so I fussy cut a lot. They all really pretty, and I will be playing with those elements on my card. I also have beautiful Little Birdie Crafts flowers and a few more embellishments, few pieces of lace. I found a little how you would say that, I don't know how you would say it, the little heart, which by the way I will not use it so don't worry about that. I've got sisal, and I will be sticking everything on hot glue, also using double-sided foam pads, so my cards will be dimensional. First layer, usually I stick flat to the cards, and then everything else using foam pads. My first layer is the same size as the card, and the second one is slightly smaller. If you don't have round dies, circle dies at home, you can use round objects, one bigger, one smaller. Just draw around them and cut them out with the scissors, and it will work great as well. Now I will be just trying to build the composition. I will be playing with the elements. I didn't cut that video, so you can see the whole process of me creating and just to playing with the elements and building the compositions. So I hope you will enjoy that, and maybe I will inspire you to create something similar. Under the video you will find the links to Little Birdie social media places, and also to the store, and list of the products used in the video. Please check their blog or their Facebook page. They have lots of lovely inspirations every week. They've got great designers, so you can find something interesting there. I will leave you for now with the music and talk to you at the end of the video. I hope you will enjoy. I'm adding last few bits and my cards will be ready. I have a metal element which I cut into 2 pieces and it will go on both cards. Then I'm going to add white acrylic paint on my flowers and on the edges of the elements on both cards, and then I will add white splats. For the splats I'm mixing white acrylic paint with the water and I'm using very small brush to create little splats, and this will be it for today. Off the camera I also added a sentiment on the left card. You will see it in the second on the screen. Sentiment says best wishes. That's it. I hope you like them both. I really enjoyed making them and I hope that you will create something similar. For all the links, please go below the video, and I hope you will be back to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely creative day. Bye!